Good morning, everyone. We have a mess across the South right now with wintry weather impacting a lot of different areas, especially in the Atlanta area where this video comes from. You can see the snow on the roads, the cars sliding around, but this wasn't unexpected. So let's look at the details of the Atlanta forecast more closely. So right now in Atlanta, surface temperatures are right around that freezing mark at 32 degrees, and there's a mix of precipitation being reported. But let's look back to earlier when the snow started falling and the road conditions got messy very quickly. So going back to the morning hours, WX Horizon predicted that there would be a heavy bursts of snow in the early morning hours for Atlanta, with snow intensities as much as 1.5 inches an hour. And that allowed snow to accumulate very, very quickly on the road surface. So if we go back to that time, road temperatures were hovering right below or right at freezing, obviously allowing that snow to accumulate very quickly as well. As we go through the rest of the day, like I said, precipitation has transitioned from all snow to more of a mix. That'll continue throughout the day in Atlanta. And we do have road temperatures that will hover around freezing, but eventually climb above freezing when we get into this afternoon.